Hello guys, another quick video of this W205 2015 plate, but comes under various different years, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the issue with this one was that trunk lid would not open from the button here. Now the button was actuating fine, I could see that on the diag, but it physically wouldn't open up the actual boot. Now this doesn't have the electric boot opening, so the button there, so what we've had to do is manually go in through the back. Now these have got a manual latch in here, so the way to get to them is you drop down the center seat. You've got to get your hands in, and obviously the boot doesn't open, so you've got to get your hands in, unlock the latches on each side to drop these seats in, and then I'll show you from the outside. You have to make yourself a hole, and once that hole's been made on the inside, I'll take all this off, there is a little latch, as you can see just here. I've got my finger on it. You pull that and that will manually open it. I'm just going to take all this off to better show you, and we'll go from there. So now the best way of looking at it is, so I'm underneath the, I'll show you how we get into it. So you're looking at that and then looking underneath, there is the little release. So what you need to do ideally is on the inside is cut the trim as we did, and you can get your hand in there and just flick it out. So the trim piece here was perfect enough for us, and I made a bit of a hash. I was just checking where it was based on the actual latch, but it is more just behind this light here. So long as you make enough gap, you can get your hand in there, you can feel around, and you can pop it open. In terms of the problem, it's actually down here on this wiring piece here. So you can see that blue and red wire is chafed, and it is just on the part where it connects onto here where this clip is. So the tie wrap is too tight for it to actually, and it's been chafing over time and it cuts off. So we'll repair that and see what we get on. So wiring repair completed, and close, and it opens. Hole still there, customer's going to change it in due course, but job done. So that's how you find the emergency release and repair the problem. If you've got the same problem, get in touch, like and subscribe.